Welcome to beautiful place of Yoga Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Today we are practicing gentle yoga flow, which is highly effective to the people who are suffering from back pain. Attention to your inner and outer rhythm of body. Breathe in. To heal your mind and body, grab your mat and let's begin. Today yoga flow is starting with seated position Vajrasana. Doing simple breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly raise your hands toward the sky and gratitude to universal strength. Welcome to new oxygen to your inner and outer body. Slowly bend your upper body forward and stretch forward. Try to keep your forehead on the mat. Come to Balasana. Release all the tensions, negative feeling, your inner and outer body. Slowly raise your upper body up. Keep your left palm side on left leg. Angle your right hand to left side and your right arms close to with your right ears. Relax. Now keep your right palm side on your right leg. Angle your left hand to right side and your left arm closer with your left ears. Breathe in. Then relax. Interlock your fingers. Open your chest and slowly bend your upper body forward. Try to keep your forehead on the mat. Your hands pointed toward the sky. Breathe in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then slowly relax. Keep your palms side your body and circle your arms forward while shrinking your abs. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now catch the toes from your palms. Inhale. While giving the weight to your toes, bend your upper body forward while exhale, come to Bunamana Vajrasana. If you can, try to keep your forehead on the floor and breathe in. Now stretch your arms forward to position Sasankasana. Inhale, try to keep your forehead on the floor and breathe in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. While giving the weight of your palms and toes, press your upper body up while inhale, stretch your upper body forward and look up. While exhale, roll your stomach and stay as such. Inhale, look up. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, roll back. Walk 4 steps forward from your palms. Inhale, while exhale, slowly land your chest on the mat. Your butt should be up to come happy puppy pose. Release all the tensions, negative feeling, all the pain from your inner and outer body and mind. Go with simple breathing and breathe out. Give weight to your elbows. Slowly bring your upper body forward and stay baby cobra. Close your eyes and release all the pain in your physical body. Get new energy while breathing. You will feel that healing your inner and outer body. Keep your palms parallel with your chest. Given the weight to your palms, slowly raise your upper body up to position Bhujangasana. 10. Leg up. This is the good asana to strong your spinal cord. It's helped improve the health of thyroid and parathyroid glands. When given the weight to your toes and palms, slowly raise your butt up to come Paratasana. Your eyes should be pointed to your toes. Then breathe in. While given the weight to your palms, bring your right leg forward and keep it 90 degrees. While inhale, raise your arms up, then slowly keep your right knee on the mat. Open your chest forward to come Anjaneya Asana. If you can, bend your upper body back, looking at your palms and breathing. Palms down. Straight your left leg. Then slowly straight your right leg, come to the Parshavotthasana. Keep left knee on the floor, straight right leg and come to half Hanumasana. If you can, try to keep your forehead on the knee. While given the weight to your palms, bring your right leg back, then come to Paratasana. Bring your left leg forward, keep it 90 degrees. While inhale, raise your arms up, open your chest forward to come Anjaneya Asana. If you can, bend your upper body back, looking at your palms and breathing. Palms down and keep it side on left leg. Then slowly straight your left leg and try to keep your forehead on the left knee. Come to half Hanumasana. And breathe in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and inhale, exhale. Then bring your left leg back and come to Paratasana. Keep your knee on the mat. Sit on the feet. Palms together and come to Virasana. Breathe well. Concentrate your mind and body with this asana. Relax and slowly lay it on the mat. 10. Go to the simple breathing and breathe out. Now bend the right knee and pull to your side, supporting from your hands. Breathe well. Release all the tensions, negative feeling, your upper and lower body. Relax. Now bend the left knee and pull to your side, supporting from your hand. Breathe well. Release all the tensions, negative feeling, your upper and lower body. Relax. Bend left knee, keep it on right knee and pull to your side, supporting from your hand. Breathe well. Relax. Now bend right knee, keep it on left knee and pull to your side, supporting from your hand. Breathe in. Relax. Now bring the both legs to your side to position Pavanamuktasana. Try to keep your forehead on the knee. going with simple breathing and breathe out. Relax. Keep your feet on the floor. Bend right side and hold in Vakrasana. Go to simple breathing and breathe out. Come center. Bend to left side. Again come to the Vakrasana and go to simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and come center and relax. Keep your palm side on your body. Inhale, lift leg up and keep it straight. Exhale and down. Inhale, right leg up and keep it straight. Exhale and down. Inhale and raise both legs and arms toward the sky. Come to Hastapada Gustasana. Relax and end with Shavasana.